Hi, I am Mariah Hilbert with Horizon Group USA, a leader in jewelry making, fashion apparel crafts, and kids crafts. I am proud to introduce Susan Lenart Kazmer, an explorer, inventor, designer, and an artist of mixed media art, to bring you a unique, one-of-a-kind, found object jewelry components collection, Industrial Chic, only available at Michael's stores. Join Susan as she demonstrates how to turn commonplace objects into heartfelt story charms and jewelry.
Hi, I'm Susan. I'm here with the Industrial Chic line that is exclusively to Michael's. It's a line of pieces, parts, charms, and just a lot of fun components to put together. So today in this segment, I want to show just how to maybe alter the charms a little bit. So for the first pieces today, I want to show a ring. I'm going to show this ring here. It's called a Game Over ring. And with this piece, I just used the charms that had the loops on there. These are some of the charms that I pulled from the line, so you can use any type of charm that you'd like to. And what I'm just going to do is I'm going to pick up my piece. I just need to have my 3 tools with this piece. And with this project, I'm going to use a little bit of E6000 glue. This is actually a good glue for metal. If you're going to use glue with metal, this is one that really works. So I have my snips, my needle nose pliers, and my chain nose pliers. And I'm just going to take my first bezel, and I'm just going to go in here and snip. Usually what I do is I cover it on one side, but I'm trying to let you guys see what I'm doing. So I'm just going to take each side and snip it off as close as I possibly can to my piece. Let's see. There we go. And then I just brought a little bit of sandpaper. There shouldn't be much work to sand, and actually most of this will be covered up also. You just want to hit it to make it nice and smooth. And then I'm going to just take a little bit of my glue, put enough on here to cover my piece, but you never, never, never want more glue where it will be oozing out over the side. So I'm just really careful not to put on too much. And then I'm going to let my piece dry with E6000. It's going to be about a half an hour. And then it'll be ready to go anywhere. So this is actually the piece. So I brought up some other charms for the line, maybe a variation I would do. These are some of the beads that you could find at Michael's, and I actually thought this would work in here really well, a cocktail ring. And this was another variation where I can just maybe cut out an image from a piece of paper, cut it out to shape, glue this down, and if I had a smaller charm maybe that didn't quite fit, I could just glue this right onto the top. So this is actually just layers. I've got a collage layer ring. So that's just another idea. Now I want to show you some of the earrings. This also just is altering and using the pieces a little bit. Here is some metal fiber that I really enjoy using as part of the project. This is the set that I'm going to build right now, but there is a lot of variation. This is just safety pins and beads that are in the line too. But these are just some fun, bright, colorful pieces. I decided not to use the same exact components for each piece. So with that, I'm going to choose my ear wires that's in the set. And I'm just going to take my pieces, and these will just hook together by opening up. I can just get my pieces. These are with split rings. And I'm just going to open up my split rings and bring this all the way around. And for this piece, actually, there's my 2 pieces that are hooked. For this side of the earrings, I'm going to build with one of the metal fibers and use the small washer. I use this as a stopper on here. And then I can pick any color bead that I want to. And I can use any of these components that I want to. So I'm going to pick this one. It's actually pretty similar to what I have working with. So I can build and build a large stack, and then I can decide how long I want my piece to be. And with my needle nose pliers, I'm just going to take my piece. I'm going to make a little wrap along the top. Just wrap it nice and clean, and then I'm going to just snip that extra wire off. There. So now I have this part of my piece. So all of these I'm going to take and join. I'm going to connect again with my split ring, open up my split ring, and I'm going to put my component on. Let's see if I can get this on here. And then I'll just hook it right up to my piece. I think that piece is going to open. Okay. Now bring that all the way around. And this piece should open. There we go. So take the whole piece. So you just want to hook that right up, and then you've got your own pieces. So you really want to pick components that, all the pieces are really just personal. You want to pick which pieces have meaning for you. And the same thing with all three of these. I would gather them and just connect it here. For more ideas, come to the Michaels store and you can look up the project guide. Here it gives you a lot of different ideas and just different ways that you can use the pieces and parts from the Industrial Chic line. Or go to the Michaels website where you can check out more videos like this one.